Well, hello. Happy Friday to everybody. This is Marion County Commissioner Kevin Cameron doing a weekly update for you. This week was all things about garbage, trash. Most of us put out our trash can on the street and somebody picks it up, and that's the last we see of it. Well, this week we got to tour some really interesting facilities in Marion County that are a part of our environmental services program. First one we went to was Covanta Marion. That is a place where the garbage comes in and is put into a facility that generates electricity. And we generate enough electricity in that facility to power a city almost the size of Woodburn. So it's actually, your garbage is being used for generating electricity, so it's renewable. We consider that renewable power. And it's diverting it from going into a landfill. In that facility, we noticed that they recover ferrous and non-ferrous metals, and then the ash that comes out at the end, which is about 10% of the entire weight going in, is used down at Coffin Butte, which is outside of Corvallis, which is the largest landfill facility in the region. The other facility we toured was the Marion Resource Recovery Facility. This is a brand new facility, and the haulers here in our area, the different garbage companies that we have, I believe there's 8 of them in Marion County. They are partnered in this new facility. They've had one there for many years, but this one has just recently opened, and it's expanded their capability. Right now, the material that's coming in there, they're recovering about 35% of the. So if you take a ton of garbage in, they're taking out 35% of that in wood and metals, etc., that can be reused and go off into facilities. Really interesting facilities. They are willing to set up meetings if you want to take a tour of that and see how it works. They've reduced the amount of trucks that they need to use to transfer material because of the new equipment and the technology that they put there. So really efficient use of new technology and manpower. In addition to that, about a month ago, we actually took a tour of a facility down in Toledo that's called Juno. And that is a place where they're taking a new technology, taking industrial garbage, industrial waste, and their goal is to recover about 50% of that. And they're focused on industrial waste because they want a lot of the paper out of it. And if you know, when you get a box, whether it's from Amazon or someplace else, it'll say, made with recyclable material or a certain percentage of recyclable material. Well, this facility is one of those where they're going to be able to get more and more of that fiber out of the system and recover metals and other things too as well. Just think, the next time you put out your trash can, the average use or average amount of trash per person in Marion County is 1 ton per person. 2,000 pounds of trash per year per person. So if you're a family of 4, that's 4 tons. Think about that in ways you can maybe reduce the amount of waste. Obviously, the first thing is of the 3 R's is reduce, reuse, and then recycle. And you may want to compost to get some of your food waste and use that in your garden. So that's all things trash. I want to say have a great and safe Memorial Weekend. And we want to say thank you and give thanks for all those who have served and given the ultimate sacrifice so that we can live in this free country and have a great Memorial Weekend.